Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try brown half sleeve shirt with tan pants and black loafers. Next you can try white and green printed shirt with black pants and black shoes. Next you can try tan printed polo t-shirt with navy blue pants and grey and white sneakers. Next you can try teal green shirt with beach pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white t-shirt with black faded jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try multicolor striped shirt with blue jeans and black boots. Next you can try olive green polo t-shirt with black cargo pants and white sneakers. Next you can try green printed shirt with sky blue baggy jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try tan t-shirt with blue jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try black oversized t-shirt with black jeans and black sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 stripe outfit ideas.